Yeah, hi, here is Elizabeth, your expert mind coach. I'd just like to bring out the attention that from next week, Monday, I'll be running a series of Facebook Lives where I'll be talking about business and mindset. This is always going to be on Mondays uh, uh, at 7 o'clock German time. Now, these are some of the topics that we are going to be dealing about. I'll be talking about the power of the mind. I'll be giving you tips on mind blowing, how to learn how to replace negative thoughts with positive thought, mind blowing thoughts, how to observe and redirect your thoughts so that you can discover your behaviors, change them so that you are back on the positive track, and how to manage bad behaviors that that before they manage you. So you have to really learn that bad behaviors can manage you negatively. And of course, third, how goal setting is important, uh, and how we're going to create those meaningful goal settings. In addition to that, we're going to look at the personal development master classes, where we're going to look at what about the mindset. What does mindset have to do with the business? We're going to look at the importance of networking, what benefits is networking to your business. We're going to look at customer service, something that is very important for, especially for small businesses, how we're going to use strategies of turning angry customers to loyal customers. And of course, the most important thing also is authenticity. A lot of businesses you find started off on tracks of copying other people. So here we're going to see why fostering fostering business authenticity is very important for your personal success and also for your business. Then I'm going to, of course, at the end, always offer you guidelines to the online classes that I have, which are free of charge. The topics ranging from self-management, where you're going to achieve personal success, and how about preparing to receive a mind shift or a different mindset. We're going to look at topics where you can also develop self-confidence, take classes where you can learn how to develop self-confidence, which you dearly need for your business success, and how to be assertive, how to learn how to say no, or how to learn how to put forth your your opinion without being rude. Work-life balance, also something very important, which is needed so that you can avoid issues such as burnouts, depressions, or being just overwhelmed, and also finding time for the family, for yourself, being mindfulness. Those are some of the topics that you're going to deal with when you take up my online classes, which are, like I said, are free of charge. So that's just to introduce to you about the things that I'll be talking about for the next couple of weeks, always on Monday at 7 p.m. Berlin time. In order to be in the loop, please follow me on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram, where I am there as Mind Expert Coach. Or you can write me an email or get over to my website, where you can also have the contact formula to contact me. Thank you.